Hello and welcome to my channel. If you have been on TikTok lately, meaning the month of April, everything is about treadmills and walking pads. Obviously, I had to order one. I went up and down and read all the descriptions of all the brands available and compare prices and functionality of each walking pad. And I decided on one just because I needed one, so I got one. It came rather quickly. It actually came in about 3 or 4 days. I do live in a building that has a gym that is like 24/7, but somehow I always find a reason not to go downstairs to exercise like everybody else. So I figured, let me have a walking pad. So when I wake up in the morning, I'm just gonna step on it in my pajamas, put shoes on, my pajamas on, and just go for a walk. Or when I come back from work, I can just step on it with whatever clothes I have on or something really comfy and put shoes. Remember to put shoes on. I see a lot of people just playing games and not putting shoes on. This is an exercise machine. Put shoes on, okay, so you don't get hurt, and then just walk on it, you know. So let's open it up together and see what this is all about. Okay, she's out of the box, so now I'm going to clean up my mess so I can plug it in. It has this little ring, so it tells you the distance, the time, the calories, and the speed, plus a minus button, and it has the on and off button. So in case you lose the control, okay, the little clicker that comes with, you can still turn it on and off here with your finger. About 4 feet long. It goes up to 4 miles per hour. Also, the other ones that are offered on the TikTok shop, they go up to like 3.7, 3.8. This one can incline because it has this little thing, this little feet that I'm going to pop out. So I can have it on an incline instead of flat. And it's moving. I am so excited. My cat is so like curious about it. It's like one more thing to have in the house. Okay, I wasn't ready for that. We're so used to the handles on the side. Here we go. That's 2.2. 2.6. This is bigger than I thought it would be. So now my husband obviously has bigger feet than me, so he can actually use it too. Be comfortable on it. Okay, 3. I usually walk at 3.2 on a regular treadmill. So that's pretty good. Okay, so I want to see what they... Oh, I went at 4. This is 4. So, an easy jog, but I feel it. It's not loud at all, and I don't think my neighbors can hear it. Turn it off. Wow, I cannot believe it. I have my own treadmill in my house. This is amazing. Wow, out of breath. It works. It actually works. I'm so happy I got it. So happy. I am gonna be summer ready. Okay, I'm gonna give you a different view for what I see, okay? So that's a little remote. It comes with an extra battery. It has a little hang holder, like a wrist band here. You can put it on your hand while you're exercising like this, okay? And you can, when you're done, you can hang it someplace in your house that you remember where your control is. If not, then if you lose it, then you can just control everything with your finger by pressing the buttons on the actual walking pad. It only has been a few minutes me reviewing this with you, and I'm already ready to give this machine a 10 out of 10. This is the best investment. I'm committed to my health. Spent a few weeks just reading reviews, reading descriptions, looking at prices, looking at the benefits of each one, the pros, the cons, negative reviews, positive reviews, and this brand came out to be like the best of all of them at this price range. Now, if you want something with handles, they do have it, but for another $100 or so. This one was around $150, something like that. It said it was on sale. I think original price, they have it as over $200. I was able to grab it for $150. I don't know if it's the month of fitness and health and wellness that they're running all of these specials on this machine. So if you want one, you need to get it now or later pay the price, you know, a little bit higher price. But nevertheless, this is a great investment, whether it's 100, 200, 300. I think this is amazing because it's so practical. It is so practical. You can have it in your own home. You don't have to dress up for it. You don't have to go in your car. You don't have to go outside. Here in Florida, it gets super hot in the summer, and sometimes even now. I mean, I love summers and everything, but sometimes it's like really, really difficult to walk outside because it gets so hot. Or if you live in a cold place, you know, and you need to do some exercise, you need to move, you need to clear your mind, you need to meditate, you need to do work on your desk, you know, do it on this treadmill. Watch TV. You can watch your favorite movies, you can watch your favorite shows, you can watch the news. You can watch me on YouTube, on your TV. They call it walking pad, but it's a treadmill. It goes up to 4 miles per hour. And this one I love because, like I said, it has the incline. The little feet here gives you an incline, but you can have it flat if you want it. So yeah, I think this is the best choice I have made for myself in a long, long time. So I'm proud of myself. I'm going to hold myself accountable. I'm gonna start making content, just me on this treadmill. Myself accountable and get on it every single day, no breaks, every single day. Because walking, you can do walking every single day. That is not excessive. That is actually really good for you. No more excuses. So get yourself your walking pad. I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna make a video on TikTok and put the link of that video under this video, so you can click on it and then you can find the store where I bought this machine at. Okay, because now you know TikTok has a TikTok shop and I'm an affiliate, so I get commissions when I sell something, when I buy something and I make the video for something and make a review and people click on the link, then I get commission. So there you go. So if you buy one under my link, well, thank you very much. I appreciate you. And I only bring you the best of the best. Whatever I don't like, I don't even bother to make videos. As simple as that. Okay, so you know I'm gonna give you the honest review. So yeah, let's be twins and get one, and if a lot of you get one, then we can be alive and do this together in the very near future. That would be fun to do, like a live session. Okay, get on your machine, we're all together on the machine at the same time. That would be so much fun, like a gym, but not at your house, you know, like at the comfort of your home. No matter what you look like or what you're wearing, just put your shoes on. That's all. Put your shoes on. But I see a lot of people just going barefoot. I would not dare, because I don't know, I need my shoes for balance and stability. So there you go. All right, thank you so much for watching my video, and I'm going to turn this off. I'm gonna finish this video now because I want to go back on my treadmill and enjoy it and have a good night's sleep after this. Bye until next time.